So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 109,598. And the overall situation of Bitcoin is as tricky as it can get. I'll zoom it in for you so you could see it easily. So yesterday, Bitcoin closed above $110,000, but the candle size that is above the area of 110, it's extremely small in comparison to the rest of the candle, way below the area of 110. That's why I said that I would ignore this candle. I would rather look at the second candle. Second candle, of course, closed the above $110,000 as well. But you can see that the body of the candle is missing. All of it is wick. And that is the same reason I didn't like the first candle. But the second candle, I said, I'll pretty much count it. Now today the candle has started, it is red, but if we close this green, then I'll count this candle plus this candle as 2 days closing above the area of 110. If it does manage to close above 110, then I will count it. I mean, we can't just keep on ignoring. The first day I didn't count because I didn't like the shape of it. It was just too small above the area. It looked like more of a manipulative approach rather than the reality. But the second candle again closed. The body is missing, but what can we do? Now that's why today's candle, if it manages to close above $110,000, we have to pretty much take it and say that, okay, $110,000 area is captured. Now we expect it to start the upward journey towards $120,000. Now the journey towards 120 is going to be in pieces, but the thing is, it is a discovery range, which means that the moment it goes up towards $113,000 and creates a new all-time high, after that it is going to be aggressive. It can go up towards 116, 17 with ease, and then it will go and eventually hit $120,000. None of that is going to be a problem for Bitcoin at all, because once Bitcoin creates a new all-time high and enters the discovery range, I don't think it will run into any form of problems. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. There's literally nothing else to add. Let me see if on a smaller time frame there is anything that I can look at. Yeah, on a smaller time frame, the only thing that we can look at is double top structure. If you look at it, previously when we had structure like this, one top, second top, it bled, one top, second top, and then it bled. Again, it has a double top structure like this. Of course, it's not completed. If it goes down, you will see Bitcoin bleeding as well. So of course, this thing has a neckline at what? The neckline of this thing is around $109,000. If you see Bitcoin going and dropping towards $109,000 and closes below it for more than 8 hours, because this chart is on 4 hours, you should assume, okay, the top is in and Bitcoin is ready to go down towards 102,500, which is our support area anyway. And from there, we will go and observe that and see, can Bitcoin go and achieve something else, or is it going to get bearish from there? And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to add. Like I said, if it doesn't capture $110,000, it is dropping towards 102,500. But if it manages to capture 110 for more than 2 days, 1 day is done, second day is in action. If it does that, then we have to pretty much give in and assume that it is going to go towards $120,000. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.